There is a reason due to which we have barely sent any mission to Mercury. We have done around 30 missions on Mars, 22 on Venus, and on Pluto we have sent 3 missions. But on Mercury, missions are rarely done. But why? What stops NASA from exploring this planet, which is relatively closer to us? This all starts on the 3rd of November 1973, when NASA launches Mariner 10, its first probe to Mercury. Every scientist was worried, is this probe even going to go to the planet? This probe was not on fuel. It was going to use gravity to swing and go to the planet.
Now going through the sound barrier.
But surprisingly, this probe makes it to the planet with great ease, and everybody was in a great mood. But at the last moment, all of their hard work and time was gone to waste, as during the last flyby, this probe crashes into the planet. This crash was so powerful that if it were to hit the Pyramid of Giza, this small piece of metal could easily destroy it. Well, if you look, its main mission was to take pictures of this planet and send them to Earth, and this probe performed its job completely. But why to this day do scientists call this mission unsuccessful? When scientists send probes to different planets, they generally get 25,000 pictures. But in the case of this probe, it only sends pictures up to 2,700, including pictures of Venus. As this probe approaches Mercury, it starts facing problems. These problems generally don't occur to other probes. These problems get worse, and eventually its fuel runs out, and it crashes. So what problems did this probe actually face? Well, for starters, it's gravity. You see, when any probe goes to Mercury, it faces 2 forces. First the Sun's gravity, and then Mercury's. So it gets pulled towards the Sun, and this is one of our biggest problems. After several complicated calculations, scientists finally discovered the solution. The probe had to go with a particular speed so that it approaches Mercury with a decreased speed, similar to cars slowing down when approaching a turning point. If the probe goes with a high speed, it can crash into the Sun or the planet, as what happened to Mariner. Due to the Sun's intense radiation, Mariner's path got deflected, and it came under more and more influence of the planet's gravity, ultimately resulting in a crash. Mercury is the planet of wonder. It is closer to the Sun and has a mystery surrounding its magnetic field. Mercury has an 85% core as per its surface, but comparatively, it produces a lesser magnetic field than Earth. Earth has a magnetic field of 20% as per its surface. To study this, scientists launched a new mission to Mercury in 2018. Speaking of its first mission, Mariner 10, this probe provided us with amazing information. It captured the first high-definition image of Venus, and it showed us that we can use gravitational assist to send probes to other planets, kind of like using gravity as a slingshot. Using this technique, we have sent several probes into outer space.